Do the different phases of the menstrual cycle alter the effectiveness of stretching? I'm going to tell you the answer, but first hit that follow button for more stretching tips. Flexibility improves following stretching regardless of sex, but females tend to display better responses compared to males. One possible explanation for sex-based differences in flexibility is that males have higher levels of passive stiffness and pain sensitivity than females. A potential mechanism at work is that numerous parameters within various body systems are affected by fluctuating reproductive hormones, and these endocrine-driven systemic changes have consequences on the physiology of the musculoskeletal system. Fluctuating levels of reproductive hormones during the menstrual cycle may affect the physical properties of estrogen and progesterone receptors in bones, skeletal muscles, ligaments, and nervous system structures. For example, fluctuations in estrogen levels are associated with changing amounts of type 1 and type 3 collagen, which is an essential structural protein found in connective tissues. In the peri-ovulatory phase, type 3 collagen levels increase and type 1 levels decrease, which leads to a higher tolerance to the mechanical loads imparted on tissues by stretching. High-quality research examining the relationship between the different phases of the menstrual cycle and joint flexibility is scarce, and results from the previous research that does exist are frequently inconclusive, with authors reporting either no significant effect of the menstrual cycle on range of motion, or that different muscle groups exhibit significantly contrasting levels of passive stiffness at various points throughout the menstrual cycle. In this study, 48 healthy females aged 21 to 24 years of age performed 3 sets of 45-second static passive stretches during the follicular, ovulatory, and luteal phases of the menstrual cycle. The research team reported that hamstring flexibility increased in each phase of the menstrual cycle, but that there were no statistically significant differences between them. This means that healthy young women don't really need to worry about how their hormones will affect their physiological responses to stretching. However, keep in mind that fluctuations in flexibility during the menstrual cycle may still be present because of hormonal influences on stretching adherence.